Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. It's actually going to be a giveaway video. So I recently hit 500 subscribers and I thought I wanted to give back and show you guys that I actually do appreciate that you are watching my videos and commenting, liking, and just overall subscribe to it. So I want to thank each and every one of you. Currently I am at 518 subs as of this recording, and I have decided that I want to give something back. I do a mixture of drones as well as crafting, so I wanted to come up with an item that would be the best fit for this giveaway. So I am going to be giving away a hat that I will be making, and you guys probably might have seen this video of me making this hat with this silhouette. So I'm going to be giving away a similar hat to this. It's going to be black with a white silhouette, and the available silhouettes are going to be the Mavic Pro, Air, Spark, the Phantom series, Inspire, and the 3DR Solo. So if you guys are interested in entering in this giveaway, leave a comment below with the silhouette you want, and you guys are only allowed to enter one time. I'm going to be using a YouTube comment picker that I will be using to pick out the winner for the hat. And then based off of your comment, I'm going to be making it with that specific silhouette. The hat is going to be adjustable and not fitted, so that it should fit for the general public. So if you guys are interested, like I said, leave a comment down below. I'm going to be choosing a winner in about 2 weeks, just to give enough time for everybody to enter, and the only place you can enter is in this video and not in my videos in the future. So just remember, leave a comment down below with the silhouette you want. I'm also going to be putting the different silhouettes that are available in the description below, and if you guys even want me to do it, I would even do a live video where I actually choose the winner, so there are no questions about who won. Once again, I want to thank everybody for watching this video, for subscribing. I have been uploading since September of 2017, even though my account has been around since I think 2009. So I haven't been doing this for long, and I'm very appreciative out there that you guys find me interesting enough for you to subscribe and to actually stay subscribed. So thank you again, and I'll see you guys in a few days with my craft video.